What is going on, you guys? I'm so excited to bring some different kind of content to the channel. I've seen plenty and plenty of people on YouTube do things like record a song within an hour, and I wanted to try doing something like that. I'm in the middle of writing some metal stuff right now. I've been doing some ghostwriting for other metal things, and so I want to see if I can write a metal song within a complete hour, and I've created some parameters for myself. I've already built my template out. I've already got a recording template that I use in Ableton, and so I've already got the drums in, they're already mixed. I've already got my bass plugin in here, and I've got my guitars already tuned in because it's the template that I normally use. So basically in this hour, I just need to see how much I can actually come up with, and by the time the hour's up, whatever I have written, however long that song is, it's as long as it needs to be. Now, as far as the mastering and all that stuff, of course, that's going to happen post, and there's no way I can do any. I mean, I guess I could, but at this point, there's really no way that we can really get a good mix and a master and writing the whole song in an hour. So we're just gonna do all the writing and try to do the vocals within an hour and see how much we can get done. So we're gonna go over to Google Chrome, and as you can see, I've got a 1 hour long timer. And once I hit start, we're going. I'm using the Sub-Zero Bass 6 guitar. It's actually tuned to D sharp, drop D sharp, and so half step down on this string and then everything else a half step up. And I've swapped the guitar pickup that you have here. This is still the stock pickup, but I replaced the bridge pickup with Nazgul, and this pickup freaking rules. So if you're looking to update the pickups in your Sub-Zero, try that one out because it sounds sick, and you'll hear more of that as we go along. So let's just make sure that we're all plugged up. I think we're good to go. All right, let's see what we can do. And go. All right, the countdown's going. There's no stopping this. We gotta finish. So here. I kind of like that. I actually kind of want to maybe start there. Okay, I think that's where we're going to start. So, tempo-wise, are we 160? Let's turn that on real quick. A little fast. Let's drop her down to 150. Let's try that out and see what that gets us. Good start. Cool. So I think that's gonna be the first riff that we start with, and let's see what that gets us. I'm gonna go ahead and put in like a basic drum beat real fast. And so this, I'm using Modern and Massive. I just pulled the default kit, 100% turbo, and now I've got everything routed out to individual channels. As you can see over here, this kick, snare, all my toms are routed to one bus, and then overheads and rooms, and then I can play on my keyboard. So I'm just gonna go in here real quick, record a fast standard beat. Start there. It's a little too pop, but it's fine. It's just a start. Just a start. Gets us going. So I'm gonna quantize this whole thing. That's where we're going to start. I'm just going to copy this out a little bit. It's a basic start. It gets us going. It gets everything started, you know? I've already wasted 5 minutes. If I had my guitar turned up, that would be extremely helpful. Sloppy because I'm nervous. You know what? I didn't tune either. I'm biding precious time here at the beginning. We have to start. And we're going to do the same thing for the other side. If I can play it the same way. Got two different archetype Gojira plugins. I'm using rhythm 4 and rhythm 6, so this is 6. And then the other one's 4. So it works. here, double these up. Copy and paste is your best friend. Let's see. Somehow I played that riff exactly the same, which I'm totally fine with. And we're gonna change the beat. Yeah, I think we'll go there. Hear it in my head where I want to go. I think that's where I'm going to go. So, let me record that real quick. Oh gosh, so much noise. Sorry guys. Never done this before, so this makes me a little nervous. So I would consider this, I would probably consider that the verses, so I'm just going to go ahead and this. Maybe pre-chorus. The next segment would be like a chorus section. I'm hearing something a little big. I dig that a lot. Basically just recording rhythm guitars right now. And then we'll figure out lead stuff in a little bit. A little slow, but my recording is slow, but that's okay. We're just getting structure down. I can go back and re-record once the song is written and the lyrics are written. So. Two and four. I might actually use that section as a one-time post-chorus back into the verse. This is all looking like a mess now. There's no pre-chorus anymore. There's a verse. There's a chorus. You know, just like a drum fill kind of thing. What am I doing on time? Oh my God! Jesus, I've spent almost 30 minutes writing the beginning part of this song. Oh my God. Okay, let's see. We're doing good though. So the verse we're gonna do again. We're gonna have it though. All right, we need a fat breakdown. I've been playing around with this guitar and trying to kind of treat it as like a really cool thumping instrument. Let's go to a clean channel. Oh goodness, I gotta think of a pattern. I think that's what I want to do, something like that. I don't know, this thing is so experimental, I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. Let me try some more grab on. That's it right there. Yeah, try that. Yeah, I think that's gonna be good. We're just songwriting. That's all we're doing. So on guitar, or overdriven guitar. And then, so we're going to call this call out, because that's where the call out's going. Guitars, at least rhythm guitars are written. I've got to figure out lead stuff, which is a whole nother game. And for lead stuff, I really like on the Gojira plugin under Lee McKinney from Born of Osiris. His lead is phenomenal. It's got a lot of verb going on there. If you need me to write leads, I'm normally not your dude. Let's see. What am I doing time? Oh, I powered through that last section. I feel a little bit better. 24 minutes. So let's start. Audio is talent. Works for me. Okay, so I've got the chorus segment recorded now. So what I'm going to do is go in and drop that chorus segment every time the chorus happens. We'll get it figured out. It'll be fine. But I do need a lead part for the this section. Maybe some fun ambiance. That's what I want. I think guitars are written. Does it count if I don't do the bass? Can I call a mulligan on that? Am I allowed to? I mean, I did make the rules because I really got to write some lyrics. I've got 13 minutes to write some lyrics. So here's what we're going to do. You guys might kill me for this one, but we're going to go to ChatGPT. And I'm going to ask it to write lyrics for Metal Song. Oh my God. This is not the time. Is this the world, the universe, trying to tell me that I don't need to do this? Nope. We're in. Okay. What should we sing about or scream about, or however we're going to do this? Well, I feel like I don't have a lot of time. So let's ask it to write a song about not having enough time. Base the theme of the song off the idea of not having enough time and feeling like you'll never get that fleeting time back. Now this, okay, in sands of time we're drowning deep. The seconds slipping are secrets we keep. The hours like ghosts, they haunt our minds as we search for moments we left behind. 10 minutes. Let's see if I can track some really, really rough vocals down. Oh my gosh, my mic stand. Oh no. This is not good on time. Okay, I know this is like all up in y'all's grill, but it's okay. You get the point. Let's see, I've also got a vocal preset. Okay, that's a little bit better. Check, 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Let's just do a, let's see, I'll give myself 4 beats, I think. And I apologize if it glitches, because my computer's old and it likes to do that kind of crap. In the sands of time, we're drowning deep. Time's cruel embrace. We can't escape. It's close. It's an idea. When I'm recording vocals, I do a lot of just record. I'll go back and figure it out, but we've only got, I think time's up 10 seconds, so that's as good as it's gonna get for now. I really like where we've gotten, and all right, time's up. that's what we got done in an hour. Let's see. You know what? By the time this video comes out, it's gonna be mixed and mastered, and so you're gonna be hearing it right now.
In the sands of time, we're drowning deep. The sick is slipping, our secret drinking. The hours like ghosts, they haunt our minds as we search for moments we left behind. Each day we chase the vanishing sun. In the race against time, we're on the run. Our dreams like stars, they shine so bright, but in the night's embrace, they fade from sight. Time's cruel embrace, we can't escape. In the realm of ticking clocks, we navigate. Our past is a whisper, a fading ride. In the echoes of forever, lost in time. In the hourglass of life, we're grains of sin. Our dreams and hopes held in our hands. The past is a ghost, the future's unknown. In the relentless tide, we are not alone. Time's cruel embrace, we can't escape. In the realm of ticking clocks, we navigate. Our past is a whisper, a fading ride. In the echoes of forever, lost in time. The past is a ghost, the future unknown. In this relentless tide, we are not alone.